If you are tired of using harsh chemicals to clean your house, then you need to check out this Thieves cleaner. What if you could clean everything, your counters, floors, bathrooms, even your kids' toys with one powerful plant-based solution? Well, you can. This is where you meet Thieves Household Cleaner. It's infused with a unique blend of essential oils like clove, lemon, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. It smells great. This cleaner doesn't just smell amazing, it works. Grease, gone. Grime, gone. Sticky messes, no problem. And the best part, there's no harsh chemical residue, just a fresh, naturally clean home you can feel good about. It's super concentrated, which means a little goes a long way, saving you money while reducing waste. One bottle, endless uses. From your kitchen to your bathroom to every corner in between, Thieves has you covered. Clean smarter, live better, and bring peace of mind back into your home. Here you can see that I am just adding my Thieves one capful at a time to a bottle of water. This goes a long way. Definitely check it out.